I've got Matt McQueeny with me here from Konabos, one of our exciting new partners here at dotCMS. And I wanted to really ask you just a couple of questions about your organization. First of all, what services do you provide?
So Konabos has, especially over the last couple of years, tried to become more of an end-to-end provider of digital experiences. We started out as essentially a technical consulting implementation shop for certain, what we would call now monolithic platforms. But over time, as with what you hope any evolution in technology and business, we see a customer need to really go the last mile, go through the full process. So we not only provide those technical services in consultation, implementation, development, but we provide UI, UX, design, as well as strategy work once your web project is launched, but also strategy in the building of it. So the typical kind of marketing work you'll see once you launch a site: search engine optimization, paid search, social media management, content management, and really anything you can do in the digital experience platforms of the day.
Excellent. Yeah, that's fantastic. So how would you see Konabos working with dotCMS? What sort of things would you think we would fit in for you?
Yeah, dotCMS provides a really good platform, not only overall, but for perhaps some specific use cases. When we talk about DXP or digital experience platforms or CMS, content management systems, there has been a move over the years from monolithic platforms, all-in-one platforms that through one login, you can access all of the aspects of your digital experience, from analytics, content management, commerce, personalization, all in that one login. And now we're headed to really something that's moving ahead towards this headless and composable environment, where you pick the best of breed solutions across all of those elements discussed that you might have gotten in a singular DXP before. But that tends to be a particularly digital mature organization that has a wealth of resources up and down the digital experience
Right.
supply chain, if you will. And we find that there aren't maybe as many there to fully go in that direction as would be needed. And then the monolithic platforms have started to look towards going composable. But some of them, in the old way of doing it, on-prem, not in the cloud, they might not be working for customers as well. So for a solution like dotCMS, I see it as not only a phenomenal bridge between those, but something that is just enough if you're moving into that platform. So you have what's called now hybrid-headless, and it has headless characteristics, but it's also got that unified feel for maybe smaller teams. I don't want to call them not digitally mature because that's not to be a negative, but to meet you where you are as a customer. So a solution like this, often single login, your whole team can get access to it, and it provides you everything you need in a more suite-like bundled solution, but again, with headless, hybrid headless or headless characteristics.